Advanced technology. Welcome back to your favorite channel, The Ancient Technology.
aka NMAH Temple, a forgotten Shiva temple. The temple's most striking feature is its soaring shikhra, which once reached 100 feet. Though time and natural elements have taken their toll, reducing its height to about 40 feet, the temple's grandeur remains undeniable. The intricate carvings, stunning sculptures, and perfect proportions speak volumes about the skill and artistry of its creators. The legend of overnight construction. Local folklore weaves a fascinating tale around the creation of the Konark temple. According to legend, the temple was commissioned by a devout king who wished to build the grandest shrine to Lord Shiva in his kingdom. However, the scale and complexity of the project posed significant challenges. The story goes that the king sought divine intervention, desperate to realize his vision. In his dream, Lord Shiva appeared to him and promised to complete the temple overnight with the help of celestial architects and spirits. The condition was that no human should witness the construction process. The king agreed and ordered all citizens to remain indoors that night. However, as with many such legends, human curiosity intervened. Unable to contain his excitement, a young boy peeked out his window to witness the miraculous construction. The moment the boy saw the supernatural builders, they vanished, leaving the temple nearly complete but for the final touches. To this day, visitors can see evidence of the temple's unfinished state, with some carvings left incomplete and certain areas appearing rough and unpolished. These imperfections are often pointed to as proof of the ghostly legend and the consequences of human interference in divine work. The Konark temple is a silent sentinel of India's rich cultural and architectural heritage. Whether one believes in the ghostly legends or appreciates the temple's historical and architectural significance, Konark continues to captivate the imagination.